prices of everything.
Tell us about the order today.
Yeah, we got he likes the odd and the different, which are usually the best fireworks that are available. We got some really unique ones. Bunch of 30 shots. This will come out at night. So 500 grams. Arch of the Imps has got these huge breaks. This one's got 12 big shots. No said. That one's no said. American Prain's got 118 shots. Of course, Excalibur. We got a 4-pack special of the 200 grams that are really amazing. Big neon colors. It's goody. It's got some really sweet lemon, orange, and reds. Strobe, they do strobes. It's got a neon pack of artillery shells that are really cool. Mook is a really good one. Brawl of the Wild, because everybody wants to, and everybody does. Brawling with the Wild. And we got Marine Life is a really monstrous one. That's okay. Make a noise. That military tribute too. Shoots 3 at a time. That was really cool too.
Yeah, that looks really cool. Yeah, I think I'm done now.
You can't fit any more in the damn cart, Brandon.
I know.
So I was giving him a second cart so he could have another.
I still gotta get some small stuff though. That's my issue.
There you go.
Oh,
Guaranteed it still will make it to 4th of July.
You guys can't wait.
I like to get everything before it gets out of stock.
Well,
Yeah.
He came just the right day because.
You're smart. You shopped early. Everything's going up in price, so you got the good prices while they last.
Last big break.
You can keep going. Getting the whole
I'm pretty
process.
sure I'm not going to be able to fit it all up here. Oh,
Can you fit it in your car?
yeah, my trunk's laying down.
All right.
Well, no, the shipping. Yeah, they've done it 4 times. There's a couple people.
Put it on.
They held the whole industry hostage.
Wow. How much are these ones?
That one's supposed to be 210. I can do 180.
My bank account's already been eaten.
There you go.
Good luck.
Saber-tooth. I just like it because of the neon. I mean the 3D. And this one
I'm
does.
doing all the damn work here.
I'm doing all the paying.
There you go. You did the work to get the money to. Yeah, check out this jumper. This guy. So it's got jellyfish brakes. There's they're angled too. Straight, angled straight. If you want, we can put it in some boxes.
Definitely.
There you go. There's the rest.
All right.
I'm gonna go for it. Wow. Definitely gonna be good for it.
Cool.
And as always, we have boxes for the fireworks. Can't leave the store without a few boxes for your boxes.
Can't have a sudden crisis without a sudden crisis.
And you got the big dog.
Lady bought that 2 days ago for her send-off party for her husband, her late husband. Just like, yeah, I gotta get the ones that the police will come.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah,
That's the only good. That's the only good one.
Yeah, we want the police to come. So what do we get for that?
That's a good finale shell. America praying. %, highest quality. Got the Excalibur right here, 24 shells. Everybody loves those. Wild horses, M800s, sunflowers, magic mushroom fountains,
I was ordering 10 cases. I get
the Mook,
15.
Zebra Kick.
I mean, that's the season.
Got the Strobin Willow. That looks like a willow
Else coming, I'm not gonna get it.
in the air with huge, humongous strobes.
Yeah, exactly. So why would I pay now and then not even get it? It's I've never experienced. Luckily, I was able to get one of them. See if you wanted a couple of those.
Yeah.
Just 4 of them.
I thought I'd throw in the old and nine for free. It's got a triple break finale.
Oh, cool.
Thank you.
Thank you. That is awesome.
That'll be free with that.
Do freewheeling. We give it some more stuff.
It's definitely gonna be a good 4th of July.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Where you guys coming from?
All the way from Pinewood, South Carolina.
All right. Nice drive.
Yeah, I've heard,
Oh yeah.
Hot.
About 45 minutes.
Really?
People.
I've heard of Pinewood.
It's out in the middle of nowhere. It's
nowhere.
peace and quiet.
It takes us 40 minutes to get to Sumter and 20 minutes to Manning.
Okay.
It's in
Yeah.
the middle of nowhere.
You blink, you miss it.
So it's on the north side of Moultrie, or
Do you know where? What's the pier that I'm thinking of?
you go toward Camden and the south that direction?
You're gonna go. It's farther away from Camden. I think Camden's like an hour away.
Or? Okay.
So it's a pretty good way.
It's
You
right
go
by
down
Sumter.
378. You take 261. You'll go straight through it.
Okay.
So,
Literally, you blink, you miss it.
Oh, I
It's
know
small
exactly
little
where it
town.
is. Okay, so it's more. So it's
you know
south
where
of
Wedgefield
Moultrie.
is?
Yeah.
It's about 20 minutes away from Wedgefield.
Okay. I love that area though. It's nice
Yeah,
and
it's
peaceful
very-
up there.
Super peaceful.
Quiet.
You can jump on your 4-wheeler and ride when you want.
We definitely won't get no cops called.
Yeah.
Peace
We
and
definitely
quiet.
won't.
Peace and quiet.
That's great.
Absolute peace and quiet. I love it.